How to add another account in Meta Quest VR. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add another account on your Meta Quest VR account. Now for this thing to work, you're going to have to download an application. Just simply open up any app store available or that you're currently using on your device. And then you're going to have to download the application that's going to be called Meta Horizon. So this is going to be the application that you need. All I have to do is, of course, to create an account first. Now, I'll just pull up the application here, and this is going to be their interface. For you to be able to add another account or add another profile, there's actually two different things. So at the upper left, you should see three lines. Now, if you would like to add another profile, you just access devices option and then add profile. Just simple. But if you would like to add another account, you just have to simply scroll all the way down from here. And then all you have to do is to go into Account Center. And then from Account Center, you should be able to see Manage Accounts at the last option. And then, of course, choose on Add Accounts. Now you will always automatically be redirected into Instagram, so all I have to do is to log in into another Instagram account for you to be able to successfully add another account. And that's it. That's the most convenient way of adding another account on Meta Quest VR.